Dear friends, professional colleagues and students, today we are going to organize second series of BLA webinar 2020 and I am Joydeep Chando. On behalf of Bengal Library Association, want to welcome you all in this session of BLA webinar. You must be well aware that Bengal Library Association was established under the presidency of poet Rabindranath Tagore in 1925 and it is one of the oldest library associations in India. From its inception, it is working towards the development of library and its profession. Not only that, it regularly organizes training programs, workshops, seminars, conferences and prestigious INT Koha once in every 2 years. It is being engaged towards installation and customization of Koha, DSpace, look up at the task of the migration from different software to Koha, retroconversion work and the like. During the period of lockdown, we are planning to organize different web-based seminars, popularly termed as webinars. And for this, we are very much grateful to our BLA technical team, especially Mr. Sujan Saha and Mr. Vishwaranjan Manna. Those look after the whole task, actually the technical task of accomplishment this project. We also thankful to our well-wishers, our supporters, BLA Executive Committee members for their active support and cooperation. Today's topic of discussion is library carpentry. It is quite new coinage to us and the speaker is respected Professor Parthasarathi Mukhopadhyay. At present, he is the head of the DLIS, University of Koldani, West Bengal, India. He is a highly technical person and he was working in a scientific library in Kolkata. Then he took teaching as his profession. I have to mention his past profession because he is the key person who has the capability of the knowledge of the requirement of modern library and its technical solutions. I have mentioned here that when we didn't know actually what is a Koha, what is Koha or DSpace, GSDL, etc., he was working at that time for their popularization. He gives us his kind consent for deliberation of 3 lectures in this series and we are very much grateful to him. Last but not the least, we are very much grateful to you, the participants. According to information, participants from different corners of the country are willing to participate in this particular webinar. Not only that, participants from outside India, from Pakistan, from EAU, from Tanzania, from other countries of world are willing to participate in this program. So we are very much grateful to you. And in case of any query, any suggestion, feel free to communicate with us through our official mail ID of this webinar or you can contact us through our official email ID of Bengal Library Association, that is blacal.org@gmail.com. Be associated with us, be a member of Bengal Library Association, love library, love profession, so that all together with you we can do for the betterment of the profession. Thank you once again and namaskar.